Hello friends, welcome to our channel eBotany. In this video, we are going to learn about the example of family Solanaceae, that is Dhatura metal. It is the part second. In the part first, we have already studied all the characteristics of family Solanaceae. Dhatura metal is the cultivated worldwide both as a ornamental and for its medicinal property. Now we are focusing on the systematic position of a Dhatura metal. Okay. Now the class is a dicotyledon. Two cotyledons are present. Subclass is a gammopetalae. Petals. Petals are fused. Series is a bicarpellate. Two carpels are present. Order is a polymonials. Regular corolla with a 5 lobes and the funnel shape. Okay, funnel shape corolla. While as a family is a Solanaceae because of the solitary and the clustered flower. Okay, solitary flowers with a fused sepal and petal. Genus is a Dhatura because of the funnel shaped structure of a corolla and the species is a metal. Now the Dhatura metal. The habit of the Dhatura metal, this plant is basically large, okay, erect, stout shrub, okay, and the weak stem. The root system is a taproot and the branch type. The stem is hollow, okay, green, completely green, or the blackish brownish in color, okay, herbaceous, okay, with a strong odor. The leaf is a simple kind of a leaf, alternate, okay. This leaf get alternately arranged opposite to each other as well as having an entire margin. In some kind, they are having a deeply lobe structure. They are the glabrous, okay. The leaf base is a glabrous as well as it having a unicostate. Now this is a reticulate venation and they are the unicostate type of a reticulate venation. The stipules are absent, okay. They are exstipulate. The inflorescence is a solitary and the axillary cyme. Now what is the meaning of the solitary axillary cyme? That is the axillary cyme is the in which the inflorescence arises from the axil of a leaf and stem. Okay, this is the axil of a leaf and stem. That's why it is a solitary and axillary cyme. Now the flower. The flower of the Dhatura metal, it is large, greenish, okay, greenish or whitish in a color, okay, bracteate, small bracts are present at the basal portion. Ebracteolate, the uh, bracteolate is absent, okay. Pedicel, okay, the pedicel is the having a pedicel, okay, pedicellate flower, complete flower, presence of a sepal, petal, androecium and gynoecium. Bisexual, androecium and the gynoecium both are present. Diclamidous, that is a sepal and petals are present. Pentamerous, the 5 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 petals, okay. Regular flower. Actinomorphic. Now what is actinomorphic? That is a star-shaped structure and it can be divided into the 3 or more identical sector. Okay. Hypogynous type of a flower. Now hypogynous, that is the ori is a uh, below and the other floral parts above. That's why it is a superior kind of a ori and the hypogynous type of a flower. The calyx. Calyx is nothing but the sepal. Sepals are a 5. Okay, it is a green in a color. Now this is the calyx, green in color, gamosepalous. They are united and showing a velvet type of a estivation. Now these sepals get just touched to each other. They are not overlap. Okay, now that's why it is a velvet type of a estivation. The calyx is a mostly persistent. Now this calyx is a mostly persistent up to fruit. Okay, now some kind the odd sepals are also present at the posterior position. The corolla. Corolla, nothing but the petal. Petals are 5, okay, 5 petals, greenish, okay, greenish in color or they are white in a color. Gamosepalous, okay, or gamopetals, okay, they are united and when it is a folded, it look like as a fan, okay. Now here the petal showing the twisted type of a estivation. That means the one corner of the petal is overlapped by the another corner of the other petal. Okay, now that means they are alternately overlap to each other. The funnel shape is a with a wide mouth. Okay, funnel shape which having a wide mouth, and it look like as a 10 lobe. Now this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. That means it look like as a 10 lobe structure. Now the androecium. Androecium, it is nothing but the male reproductive unit we called as a stamen. Stamens are a 5 stamens free from each other, and they are epipetalous. That means they are joined to each other. Okay, sorry, they are joined to petal. Okay, epipetalous condition alternate with the petals, and these stamens are inserted into the middle of the corolla tube. Now this is the corolla tube, and in the middle of the corolla tube they are inserted basifix. Okay, they are a basifix. That means the filament is attached at the base diathecus. Now the two thecus or the two lobes are present with having a long filament. This is a long filament. Intros, that means these anthers are get turned inside. Okay, intros and the longitudinally dehiscence. Now after the maturity, this anther get dehiscent with a longitudinally. This is the diagrammatic representation. This is a corolla. These are the anthers. This is a filament, and this is the epipetalous. We call as this condition when they are attached. This is called as the epipetalous stamen. Gynoecium. Gynoecium is nothing but the female reproductive unit. Okay, here the gynoecium having a superior kind of ovary. Now this is the gynoecium which is having a 3 parts, that is a stigma, style and ovary. Now the ovary is a superior kind of ovary, that means the ovary is a below and other floral parts above. Okay, now here the ovary is a syncarpus. Okay, the sometimes the ovary is a bilocular, but in the Dhatura, the false septa are formed. Now, this is the false septa formation. Due to this false septa, the bilocular ovary get tetralocular. The 4 locules are a form. Okay, so it is the tetralocular. It look like as a tetralocular, but it having a exile type of a placentation. This is the diagrammatic presentation, and this is the actual cut or the section of a fruit. Okay, here this is the 4 locules are we are observing easily. The 4 locules we are observed, and this is the false septa. According to this, that means after the maturity, this septa, this fruit get dehiscence with the help of these 4 septa. Now the style is a completely simple. Okay, simple style, thread like filiform, we call as a filiform, long, and stigma is a bifid or the capitate type of a stigma, and ovary is a superior ovary. Now fruit is a completely spinescent. Okay, spinescent. Now look at this diagram. Okay, the spinescent means the number of the spines are present on the outer wall. Okay, spiny outgrowth is present, and the persistent calyx. Now this is the persistent calyx present. Now this is called as a spinescent capsules. Okay, now this spinescent capsule opening by 4 apical apical walls. Okay, now these are the 4 apical walls. Now in the diagram we have observing that 4 septa, false septas are present. Now with the help of these false septas, this is the 4 walls are a form. Okay, now with the help of these four apical walls, and the persistent calyx is a present. Inside that these 4 apical walls, the number of the endospermous seeds, black color seeds are present inside that. That means these are the 4 walls. Look at this. These are the 4 walls, and this is a spiny outgrowth and persistent calyx with the endospermous seed. Now the floral formula. The floral formula of the Dhatura metal is that the flower is a bracteate, plant is a bracteate plant. Okay, the flower is a bracteate. Okay, small bract is a present, but it is a ebracteate. The bracteole is a completely absent. Okay, the flower the plant is the flower is an actinomorphic flower. Okay, that means it is a star shape and can be divided into the 3 or more identical sectors. Okay, bisexual flower, presence of androecium and the gynoecium, the sepals are of 5. Now these are the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 sepals get attached, but here is a velvet type of estivation, and they are the gamosepalous. The corolla, or we say that the petals are also gamopetalous. They are joined together, and here they are the they are having a twisted type of a estivation. Okay, that's why this is a alternately or overlap to each other at that time. And the androecium, now the androecium, there are the five, there are the five, one, two, three, four, and five androecium, but this androecium get attached to the petals. That means it is epipetalous in nature, and that's why this is the half circle. Now the gynoecium are the bilocular, okay, two locules, but with the help of falsepta it look like as a four, but it is actually bilocular. Okay, bilocular superior kind of ori, that's why this is a sleeping line, and it is a syncarpus carpels. Okay, now that's why this is a uh, syncarpus gynoecium. Now this is the floral formula and the floral diagram of a family, uh, family Solanaceae. Example is that the Datura metal. I hope you understand this family. Now this is the some self-assessment, that is some MCQs you have to solve after watching this video. This is some descriptive and the short answer questions. You have to also find out the answer with the help of this video. I hope you understand this family and the example of a family. If you like this video, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.